She has like a fine to medium texture, and her wave pattern is a little bit coily, but she produces a lot of oil or sebum. I can see like it's dry.
Yeah.
And that's not because her hair is dirty, it's because our hair has sebum glands in it and it overly produces. It's a clarifying shampoo, so it's gonna help me get off that, the oil, the good, everything off the hair, so she has a good palette.
It feels really good on the scalp.
Yes, it does. I do 3 shampoos. I like how it nourishes the hair, gives a softness to the hair, seals in the moisture, and it smells phenomenal.
If you're gonna add some essential oils to your own recipes, so usually I put like 3 sweet orange to like 1 rosemary.
It is a little shocking, but it feels good, like, because I was just under all that heat.
This is their almond avocado. Build it up appropriately with the leave-in and then applying the product. Your scalp get affected, your hair's gonna be affected.
The serum has prickly pear in it, argan oil, the orange essence, and yeah, it's really nice.
What you put in my hair? Yeah. Yes. Suited. Yeah.